So, hello and welcome to the red light district on Tonspielzeug, a new location. You can see this behind me. And okay, this is a new variation of the 3-click flare. And first of all, I show the demonstration and then I start my declaration. Let's go. Okay, the main idea behind this variation is very simple because we play exactly the same crossfader sequence like in the traditional way of the 3-click flare logic, but now the record motion pattern is a little bit different, or actually the pitch is now different because we alternating between a lower and a higher pitch, and yeah, you can see this in the notational indication because we start with a note, the symbol here, and this note is in the lower range of the staff, so in fact in the second distance, and then follows immediately after a E-tone, so a backward motion logic, and this is in a higher motion intensity. So, and then the pattern goes further in the same way, and the consequence for the pitch is that we alternating between low and then high, and it goes like boom, 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 boom. Yeah. The now following video is twice as fast. Once again. Okay. And this is our purpose. This is the new variation of the 3-click flare. And let's go. Now the single stages of the practical conversion. We start with the record motion pattern as always. Now the notational breakdown on the right side. So, and like I said a short while ago, we start with a note, and this note in the lower motion intensity, and it goes like this. This is like a drag. And now we pull the record back to the start point, but sharp in a higher motion intensity, and it goes like this. Yes, then the same once again, forward, so a note and then batch. Okay. This is the main idea on the record motion, and now the sequence on the crossfader is exactly the sequence for the 3-click flares. It means at first we start with the open close motion, open close, and then 2 transformer clicks in direct succession, ditch ditch. Okay, consecutive. So, right now, in cooperation with the record motion, our start position is a closed fader, and then we move the record in a lower motion intensity forward, and we open. Latch. Then we close the fader, and we pull the record back in a higher motion intensity, and it goes like this. Snip. Then the first transformer click over the same kind of forward motion, like this in the lower pitch, and then the second transformer click with the higher pitch. Okay, this is the variation 1 of the 3-click. Now the reverse pattern, and as always we play the mirror fashion of the record motion pattern. That means we start now with the E-tone. Look, inside the staff here in the second distance, a E-tone, a backward motion, and then follows a note in a higher motion intensity, then E-tone, and then a note, and after this pattern we are at the start point. This is the simplified indication, and this is the notational breakdown. Okay, let's go. The crossfader sequence logic is the same like the original pattern. And now look on the video, faders closed, and first a low E-tone, then we open the fader, now we close the fader, and we pull or we push the record forward to obtain a higher motion intensity, and it goes like this. Zack. Then lower E-tone, transformer click, and once again forward. Okay, this is the variation 1. This is the reverse pattern of the variation 1, and the single stages right now I show with my mouse pointer of the reverse pattern. Let's go. Alrighty, right. So the main idea is actually really simple, but the phonetic consequence is interesting. I think we can look on the video once again, twice as fast. Okay, try it. Send me video replies. Bye bye.